Hi everyone, I am Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make popular Korean street food, that is waffle pizza. So let's get started. In a bowl, take 1 cup all-purpose flour, that is maida, and add some salt. I'm going to make this pizza base without yeast, so add 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon, that is half of your 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and mix well. Now add 2 tablespoon yogurt, that is plain dahi. Mix well. Gradually add water at room temperature and make a batter of medium consistency. You can take half maida and half suji in this recipe. After mixing and removing lumps, add 2 tablespoon oil. You may use melted butter instead of oil. Melted butter would make your base tastier, so if you want, you can use melted butter. Our batter is ready. Now let's make some waffles. So here I've got my waffle maker which I'm greasing with some oil. Actually, this is a 3-in-1 sandwich maker with removable plates. If your sandwich maker does not have this plate, or if you do not have a waffle maker, you can use your regular sandwich maker and make the base in a different shape, maybe triangle or the type of sandwich maker you have. Close the waffle maker and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. If not done after 10 to 12 minutes, you can cook your waffle for 3-4 minutes more. The waffle would be soft as soon as you take them out but would become slightly stiff after you let them rest. Similarly, I'm making the next one, but I'm going to add a little more batter this time. With this recipe, you would get 4 waffles of size 4 by 5 inch each. These look perfect and better than the previous 2. So our waffle pizza base is ready. Now I'm going to separate them. Our waffle pizza base is ready, which we have made without yeast. You can use my other recipe to make pizza sauce, but I'm making a quick one today. 4 tablespoon tomato ketchup and 2 teaspoon Szechuan sauce. 1/4 teaspoon ready-made pizza seasoning. Give it all a good mix. So this is an easy and quick pizza sauce, but you can use my other recipe of pizza sauce and make pizza sauce from scratch. Now apply the sauce on all the waffle bases. Spread the sauce evenly. The cavities of the waffles would hold more sauce and would make the pizza tastier. Now add some mozzarella cheese, approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons on each waffle. Make sure you do not use your cheese right out of your freezer. Take the cheese out and let it become soft and then use on your pizza. Then add half cheese slice on each waffle. So total I'm using 2 cheese slices, half on each, so total 2. For toppings, I'm going to add some sweet corn, onion and tomatoes. You can add capsicum, mushroom, paneer, your favorite toppings. Or you can just add onion, or you can just skip topping. You can make your pizza the way you want. What's your favorite topping on your pizza? Let me know in the comment section. Our waffle pizza is ready to bake. You can follow the instructions given on the screen to make it in kadhai, but I'm going to bake these in my OTG today. Preheat your OTG at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then bake these waffle pizzas for 10 to 12 minutes. Keep a check. You can take the pizzas out once the cheese melts. Our waffle pizza is done. Add some seasoning on top. So you can add ready-made pizza seasoning or only oregano or black pepper, chili flakes, whatever you want. and serve the hot waffle pizza right away. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!